There once was a cow named Daisy-Moo who had a dream so big, so true. She didn't want just plain old white, she wanted chocolate rich and bright. Moo moo, Choco-Moo, shake that milk and mix it too. Stir it up, don't be shy, chocolate milk is worth a try. She ate some cocoa, licked her lips, did a wiggle, did some flips, jumped around, gave a shout, but chocolate milk did not come out. Oh dear, oh my, what can I do? I just want my milk to be chocolate too. Farmer Joe said, here's a trick, just mix some chocolate, stir it quick. Daisy laughed, oh what a sight, turns out milk was always white. Moo moo, Choco-Moo, shake that milk and mix it too. Now I know it's not my style, but chocolate milk still makes me smile. Moo moo, mix it up, pour some cocoa in my cup. Sip, sip, what a treat, chocolate milk is fun and sweet.